The blockchain is staying put, as our major monetary power sponsors cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others, with progressive algorithmic mastery. The experts have been working really hard to track down approaches to designing a computerized resource that holds an incentive for making installments, not simply in customary cash move stages-based exchanges, however, all online business-based exchanges too. Before we start with point-by-point Telcoin cost forecast, how about we actually look at outline of the coin? Discussing online business-based exchanges, there isn't a moment to spare. Consequently, fast-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment environment become an essential. Telcoin has been made with the sole target of a multi-utilitarian and multipurpose benefit of moment global cash moves. Telcoin, specialized examination and verifiable information. The brain research of clients assumes a crucial part in the crypto exchange market opinion. Costs are extremely delicate to swarm mental methodology towards giving a push to any crypto token. Telcoin, as well, is no special case. The dormancy that at first played for Telcoin in 2017, when it was established, is no more there, as the token has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers as well as dealers. The downswing that played for Telcoin in 2019 dissipated in the scenery of its mechanical arrangements. They were in no way, shape, or form a worldview, yet certain in the ENY viewpoint. It tends to be said the token was being followed for development. A regularly and definitely noticed characteristic of Telcoin is that it has shown the most whimsical and fluctuating way of behaving. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, when any remaining monetary forms exhibited a troubling execution, Tel has displayed solidness, acquiring financial backer certainty, showing an extraordinary flood in energy as a formerly inaccessible monetary administration stage. A ton of e-exchanges individuals trade Telcoins. Even in shared exchanges and minimal expense computerized settlements, Tel token has been a functioning job player. Clients remaining inside needed to have the advantage of doing exchanges on the web and with the solace of their cell or PC. This caused a spray in online business. Thus, Tel surfaced as a significant job player. In the extended period of its establishment, 2017, Tel scarcely began with $0 afterward, excepting one of 2 quarters here and there. It kept on moving upwards in the year 2018, taking itself to $0, and by the start of 2019, it remained at $0. Toward the finish of 2019, Telcoin value proceeded to decline and tumbled to the low of $0 walk 2020. Afterward, it enlisted a colossal recuperation, and by May 2021, Telcoin cost hit 5 cents. In the wake of hitting such high, the coin confronted moderate amendment, and it kept on remedying till date. In view of our Telcoin Tel cost expectation for 2022, a drawn-out increment is normal. The anticipated cost for 2026 is 0.10014. With a 5-year speculation, the procuring potential is supposed to be around plus 1,034.59%. The base cost of Telcoin can go up to 1 cent in 1 year. Telcoin is set to have a bullish cycle and procure a benefit for its financial backers. The Telcoin cost is anticipated to reach 1 cent by the start of December 2022. The normal greatest cost is 2 cents, and the base cost is 1 cent. The Telcoin cost forecast 2022 may be around 1 cent, which will make it a productive speculation. Our advanced coin Tel cost conjecture reflects positive feeling. The ongoing cost of Tel exchange is above 1 cent, and it is anticipated to reach 1 cent toward the finish of 2022. Toward the start of 2022, the Telcoins cost at 1 cent. The most extreme value level might be at 1 cent, and the least cost may be around $0. The normal for the main half is 1 cent. Telcoin estimate toward the month's end $0. Change for 2022 to 27.5%, making it a productive long-haul venture choices in the cryptographic money market. It is lamentable that the Telcoin digital currency on the settlement market is by all accounts showing a negative condition. The bears will nail it down like other crypto monsters as well. Telcoin Tel cost might dishearten its financial backers, cruising scarcely at a typical Telcoin cost of 4 cents in the primary portion of year 2023, and that too with trouble. Telcoin value forecasts 2022 to 2026. Telcoin has for some time been a panacea for application engineers. Answers for genuine issues like cash moves and conveyed finance have been found in light of Telcoin. Telcoin cost today remains at $0, a market capitalization of $305,598,791 with an ongoing exchanging volume of $3,127,670 and a flowing stock of 59.9 Tel. Starting from the start of this current year, the Telcoin token goes up against other cryptographic forms of money. Telcoin costs decline hugely when contrasted with the last year. How about we take a gander at the crypto cost expectations for Telcoin, which can assist its clients who with needing to trade Telcoin. Telcoin value expectation 2022, heaping up couple with a similar cost pattern. There is Telcoin figure that the cost of Telcoin is ready for recuperation in 2022. Following the moving example, as indicated by Telcoin cost expectation 2022, particularly the manner in which it is exchanging inside the declining channel on the everyday graph, it is clear that Telcoin cost also will address further prior to enrolling any huge cost development. It would reach to a base value level of $0, most extreme cost to $0. Telcoin value forecast 2023, going by the investigation of more limited and longer cost patterns. Almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the start of 2023 may not be really ideal for Telcoin's development, particularly with rivals making up for lost time and intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is a forecast 2023 possibility of Telcoin that is anticipated before. There won't be a cost drop, however, reach to $0 more. The typical cost in the year 2023 would be $0. Greatest cost would be 8 cents. Telcoin value expectation 2024. Yet again expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will ride the digital currency market. It is normal that Telcoin will control the crypto realm with a presentation of cost fixed at $0 light of the most well-known specialized pointers. This is identical to the very that was anticipated toward the finish of the last year, which shows Telcoin can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances. Telcoin value expectation 2025. It isn't not exactly incredible information. What started the cost of Telcoin with $0 end with the 1 cent mark. Thus, it has helped the market opinion peculiarity radically. Brokers and financial backers have begun wagering on long-haul Telcoin cost development, following it intently. Telcoin cost could cross 1 cent by December 2025. It will be productive to purchase Telcoin at the ongoing cost to acquire huge benefit constantly n. It would reach to a base value level of $0, most extreme cost of 1 cent. Telcoin value forecast 2026. As per Telcoin conjecture, the cost could reach to 1 cent in the year 2026. It will most likely cross the cost of Telcoin to what it will be in 2025. The typical cost in the year 2026 would be 1 cent and greatest cost would be 1 cent. Telcoin value expectation 2030. As indicated by our Telcoin cost expectation, the Telcoin worth will exchange with a typical cost of 2 cents. The normal most extreme cost, least cost will stretch around 0.024 and 0.022 individually by the primary portion of the year. Tel crypto cost expectation expects continuously end Telcoin value equivalent to 2 cents will settle on Tel tokens a brief decision for a decent return. And Telcoin value forecast 2026 and then some. After 2026, Telcoin is anticipated to outperform 1 cent by all means founded on the Telcoin specialized investigation of the digital currency trade aggregator. Basically on the grounds that after 2026, no vital elements like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economy. And it is normal that the greater part of the harm done would be headed for fixed work in every world economy. Our Telcoin cost conjecture extends an inspirational perspective for Telcoin future cost. Telcoin cost forecasts by specialists